Welcome back to my channel. My name is Favor. You are welcome, you are loved, you are appreciated. Thank you for clicking. News24 has reported that the dash camera has captured the moments when the truck was set alight amid spate of attacks, and one can ask themselves, is there something that we don't know? Is it business? Is it load shedding related? Drop a comment down below so that we can have a chat about this. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you are thinking. Just drop a comment. Let us have a chat. Thank you guys for watching. Mwah.